So today we will discuss about the isotopes. Okay, as the name is given, isotopes. What is the meaning of isotope? Isotopes are uh, there are few elements. Okay, who are having um, the atomic number is same. Okay, atomic number will not vary. Okay, for that. So same atomic number, they will have same atomic number, atomic number is represented with z. Okay, but they will differ. Okay, means they will have a different mass number. Okay, the elements, this is about the element. So element who is having same atomic number, but it is having a different mass number, it is having different mass number. Okay, mass number, and mass number is indicated with a. So such elements are called as the or such elements who are having the different mass number. Okay, so that are called as the isotopes. So in nature, a number of atoms of some elements have identified which has the same atomic number but different mass numbers. For example, in case of hydrogen, okay, hydrogen हाइड्रोजन इज हैविंग एटॉमिक नंबर 1 बराबर है ना. एटॉमिक नंबर हम लोग कहाँ पे लिखते हैं, नीचे लिखते हैं उसके. ओके, सो the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and the atomic, that is mass number, is also 1. Okay, so such atom is called as the protium. Okay, such atom is called as the protium. Okay, another hydrogen element who is having atomic number 1 but mass number as 2. Okay, mass number as 2, these are called as a deuterium. These are called as a deuterium. Okay, and the another isotope of hydrogen, okay, whose atomic number will be 1 and mass number will be 3, called as the tritium. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं tritium. So what all these are? What these all? These are called as the isotopes. These are called as the isotopes of hydrogen. So this element of hydrogen, which is having same atomic number. आप देख सकते हो नीचे atomic number is same, but they are varying in their uh, mass number. Okay, mass number, that is written at the superscript, ऊपर में लिखते हैं उसको, and atomic number which is written at the subscript. Okay, आप देख सकते हो, but पहले लिखते हैं. Okay, not later. Symbol is written afterwards. Okay, first the subscript and superscript of the atomic mass number and atomic number is written respectively. So समझ में what is this called as the isotopes, the elements which are having same atomic number but they vary in the different mass number. Okay, other examples, the other examples are the carbon. Okay, carbon atomic number is 6. Okay, and atomic mass number is 16. Okay, so 14C6. So look at this, carbon is having two different isotopes. Okay, in one it is having 12 mass number, and in another it is having 14 mass number. Okay, so these are called as the isotopes. Chlorine is also having same. Chlorine, example of chlorine, 17 and 35. Chlorine 17 and 35. Chlorine 17 and 37. Chlorine. So these two are the isotopes. Okay. So these are the isotopes. Isotopes of a chlorine. Okay, it's not visible, so I will write here chlorine 1735, chlorine 17 and 37. So look at this, same atomic number it is having. Okay, but they are varying in their mass number. Mass number different है. Okay, this is due to the number of neutrons. Okay, number of that is, yes, number of the neutrons, you can say. Okay, so on the basis of these examples, isotopes are defined as the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, so therefore we can say that there are three isotopes of hydrogen atom. Okay, protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay, so such is the examples. Each isotope of an element is a pure substance. The chemical properties of the isotopes are similar. Okay, chemical जो property होती है isotopes की, that are similar. Okay, that are similar, but they vary in their physical properties. Okay, उनमें जो वेरिएशन होता है वो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में होता है. So we will write down about the isotopes. Isotope is having same chemical properties. They are having same chemical properties. Chemical जो nature होता है वो same होता है isotopes का. Okay, so they are having same chemical properties, but they are having a different physical properties. They are having different physical properties. उनकी जो physical property होती है isotopes की वो अलग अलग होती है अलग अलग इसके लिए. Okay, so this is about it. The chemical properties of the isotopes are similar. Okay, but the physical properties. So we'll take the example of chlorine. Chlorine occurs in nature in a two isotope. Okay, with masses 35 unified mass and अभी लिखा है देखो हमने यहाँ पे chlorine exists in 35 unified mass and 37 unified mass. बराबर है, दो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है आइसोटोप क्लोरीन के. So you will see the ratio. Okay, ratio. So with masses 35U and 37 unified mass. ये 35U और ये 37U क्या है? What is this? This is the mass. Okay, this is the mass, unified mass in the ratio of 3:1. In the ratio of in the ratio of in the ratio of 3:1. What is the meaning of this 3:1? Chlorine is having atomic mass number 35 that will exist in a 3. Okay, ratio of 3:1, 1 for 37. Okay, तो देखो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखते हैं 35 जो है 35 atomic mass unit that exists in a 3 and 37 unified mass that exists in a ratio of 1. Okay, तो अगर देखा जाए तो टोटल कितना कितना हो रहा है, सपोज 4 हो रहा है तो हम लोग परसेंटेज निकालते हैं. ओके, व्हाट वी विल फाइंड आउट क्लोरीन एटम के परसेंट अगर हम लोग निकालते हैं सो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट क्लोरीन 35 के लिए देखो निकालेंगे हम लोग 35. ओके, कितना है रेशियो उसका 3 है, बराबर है 3 है. सपोज आउट ऑफ 4 हम लोग लेते हैं तो 3 आउट ऑफ 4. ओके, 3 आउट ऑफ 4. ओके, प्लस 37 का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन है 37 इंटू दैट इज 1:4. ओके, देखो 1:4 कंट्रीब्यूशन है. सो इफ यू विल सॉल्व दिस सो 105 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, 35 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इट्स 105 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 प्लस 37. Okay, 37 divided by 4, solving this. Okay, 142 divided by 4, you will get answer 35.5u. What is this indicating? What this value is indicating 35.5u. Okay, if you have periodic table, अगर आपके पास होगा या ये वाला periodic table तो उसमें आप देख सकते हो क्लोरीन का जो एटॉमिक मास है, क्लोरीन का जो एटॉमिक मास है, atomic mass of chlorine, you will observe that उसके नीचे लिखा होगा 30.55, 35.5, that is unified mass. Okay, तो ये कैसे निकाला है? It is based on this. Okay, so the elements those who are having their isotopes, उनका जो atomic mass जो निकाला जाता है, these are calculated. Okay, based on their ratio. This based on their ratio in how many percentage. Okay, so कितने परसेंटेज में है? क्लोरीन ऑकर्स इन नेचर इन टू आइसोटोपिक फॉर्म्स विथ masses 35 and 37 unified mass in the ratio of 3:1. So what should we take as the mass of chlorine atom? कितना लेना चाहिए फिर क्लोरीन एटम का मास? that is 35.5. किस हिसाब से? in this way. ओके, रेशियो इन दे आर इन द रेशियो 3:1. ओके, टोटल देखेंगे हम लोग इसका 4 हो रहा है तो अगर हम लोग 4 कंसिडर करते हैं ओके तो 3:4 इज फॉर 35u एंड 1:4 फॉर 37u के लिए हम लोग उनका एडिशन एडिशन करके ओके एवरेज लेके हम लोग देख सकते हैं 35.5 है आंसर ओके. So in this way, these are calculated. Okay. So since the chemical properties of all the isotopes of an elements are same, normally we are not concerned about taking a mixture, but some isotopes have a special properties. Okay. कुछ कुछ isotopes होते हैं जिनको special properties होती है, that we will see. Okay. So that time an isotope of uranium. Okay. uranium का isotope होता है is used as a fuel in a nuclear reactor, and that is what जो particular है, that is uranium 235. Okay, uranium 235 is used in a nuclear reactor. Okay, तो वो जो यूरेनियम 235 है वो बराबर वही उसी रिएक्टर में काम करेगा. ओके, और उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज जैसे हम लोगों ने बोला, they are having their different physical properties. Their chemical nature is also same, but उनकी जो physical properties है वो अलग अलग होती है. Okay, so some isotopes have special properties which find them useful in various fields. Okay, so uranium 235 it is used in a nuclear reactor. किसमें use होता है ये वाला? Nuclear reactor में use होता है. Okay, another second one if you will see, that is a cobalt. Okay, isotope of cobalt, that is cobalt 60. Okay, cobalt 60 it is used to treat the for the treatment of cancer. Okay, कैंसर के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए ये यूज होता है. ओके, यूरेनियम cobalt 60. Okay, for cancer treatment. Okay, for cancer treatment this cobalt 60 is used. Okay, cobalt 60 in the third application. Okay, third such example, isotope of iodine. Okay, iodine 131. iodine 131. Okay, तो आयोडीन के, कोबाल्ट के और यूरेनियम के और भी दूसरे आइसोटोप्स है. ओके, बट दीज आर देयर स्पेशल, that these are used for some application that we have written. Okay, for the treatment of goiter. Okay, for the treatment of goiter. गोइटर, गोइटर क्या होता है? आयोडीन डिफिशियंसी सिंड्रोम होता है ना. ओके, गोइटर. सो टू ट्रीट दैट गोइटर, iodine 131 this is used. Okay, so this is about the isotopes. Okay, so what are the isotopes? Isotopes, those are having same atomic number. Okay, the elements those are having same atomic number, but they are varying in their mass number. उनके mass number क्या होते हैं? अलग अलग होते हैं. Okay, so they are having same chemical nature, but when we talk about their physical properties, तो उनकी physical जो properties होती है वो क्या होती है? अलग अलग होती है. Now last topic of this chapter is isobars. Isobars. So the name is given isobar, iso same. Okay, so if we consider calcium atomic number, calcium का atomic जो number है वो कितना है? 20 है. And if we say the argon, okay, argon का जो है वो भी कितना है? That is an argon atomic number is 18. Okay, so atomic number is 18. So this is about their atomic number. So atomic number of calcium is 20 and argon is 18. The number of protons in these atoms is different. Okay, तो जो number of protons है वो different है. Okay, but the mass number of both these elements is 40. Okay, so calcium का जो mass number है वो 40 है. Okay, और argon का जो mass number है वो भी 40 है. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने अभी लिखा है उसको सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन में. Ca calcium 20, atomic number is 20, 40 is mass number. Argon 18 is atomic number, 40 क्या है? 40. This is mass number. Okay, तो दोनों में देखो आप लोग क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, जो मास नंबर है वो क्या है? सेम है. एंड such elements, such different elements, or such two elements or more than that elements, those who are having same mass number, उनके जो मास नंबर है वो सेम होते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं isobars. Okay, that is the total number of nucleons is the same. Okay, उनमें जो total number of nucleons है, okay, वो क्या है, same है in the atoms of a pair of elements. Atoms of different element with the different atomic numbers which have the same mass number are known as isobar. Okay, इनको क्या बोला जाता है, isobar बोला जाता है, जैसे मैंने बताया. Okay, isobars. So why they are called as isobar? Because they are having a same mass number. Although their atomic number is different. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं उनके atomic number different है. Okay, but their mass number इज सेम. ओके, तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इसमें जो 18 नंबर है वो क्या रहेगा, इसके नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, बराबर है, इसके नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. और इसके जो नंबर ऑफ 20 है वो क्या है, नंबर ऑफ, दिस इज आल्सो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, बट मास नंबर क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. ओके, तो उसमें हो सकता है कि इसमें नंबर ऑफ उसके न्यूट्रॉन्स ज्यादा हो और इसके कारण ये वाला जो है 40 आया. ओके, so in this way we have understood what is the meaning of isotopes and what is the meaning of isobars. समझ में आया आप लोगों को, isobar का मीनिंग समझ में आया, क्या होता है isobar मीन्स, what is the meaning of isobar? The elements those who are having same mass number. Okay, although they are varying, although they are different in their atomic number. आप देख सकते हो एग्जांपल के लिए कैल्शियम एंड द आर्गन. ओके, उनके atomic numbers of argon is 18 and atomic number of calcium is 20. But when we talk about their mass number, okay, आप periodic table में भी देख सकते हो. Okay, और you can google it, गूगल भी कर सकते हो आप लोग. तो कैल्शियम का मास नंबर है 40 और आर्गन का जो मास नंबर है 40, क्योंकि आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं होगा ये वैल्यूज. ओके, so in this way we have completed the chapter.